Hi guys, welcome back to Dude's Tech. Today we're exploring the best gaming mini PC, the B-Link SER5 Max gaming mini PC. It's a compact powerhouse built for productivity, creativity, and entertainment with top-tier performance. Let's get started. The B-Link SER5 Max Gaming Mini PC is designed for users who want a small desktop without compromising power. It packs serious performance into a compact body, making it perfect for work, gaming, content creation, or multimedia. With an AMD Ryzen 7 6800U processor, this mini PC handles heavy tasks smoothly and efficiently. At the heart of the SER5 Max is the AMD Ryzen 7 6800U processor. With 8 cores and 16 threads, it has a base frequency of 2.7 GHz and can turbo boost up to 4.7 GHz. This means multitasking, rendering, and gaming run without lag, giving you smooth, responsive performance for any task. Memory and storage are equally impressive, with 32 GB of LPDDR5 6300 MHz RAM and a 1 TB M.2 PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, the system handles large files and multiple applications at once, while loading and saving data happens almost instantly. This combination ensures both speed and efficiency. Graphics performance comes from AMD Radeon graphics with 12 cores running at 2200 MHz. You can enjoy 4K video editing, UHD playback at 60 Hz, and even light gaming without issues. Plus, support for triple display output allows connecting up to 3 monitors, which is great for productivity or immersive work setups. Connectivity is versatile and strong. Gigabit Ethernet provides reliable wired internet, while dual-band Wi-Fi ensures fast wireless speeds. Bluetooth is built in for seamless connection to peripherals. A wide selection of ports, including USB 3.2, USB 2.0, HDMI, DisplayPort, USB Type-C for data and video, audio jack, and DC power jack, makes connecting devices and accessories easy. Finally, the B-Link SER5 Max is compact yet efficient. Its small form factor saves desk space, while high-end components ensure top performance, making it ideal for users who want a mini PC without compromising on speed or capability. The SER5 Max has a sleek, modern design that fits any workspace. Its small footprint makes it portable, and the solid construction gives it a premium feel. It's easy to place on a desk, carry for work, or integrate into a home entertainment setup without cluttering your space. In everyday life, this mini PC excels at multitasking. You can edit videos, run design software, stream movies in 4K, or play light games. Professionals will appreciate the triple screen support for productivity, while content creators will benefit from its fast storage and powerful CPU. The B-Link SER5 Max is perfect for gamers, content creators, remote workers, and tech enthusiasts. Anyone who wants high performance in a compact, energy-efficient package will find this mini PC a great solution. Looking for a compact powerhouse? Check the price link in the description and like and subscribe to Dude's Tech for more amazing gadgets. Thanks for watching and enjoy your upgraded computing experience.